All right, guys, so today, in this video, I forced my sister to change her own oil.
Hey, he's just trying to save me some money.
Yep.
I've never done it before.
We covered the plate up. She said she's not into stalkers, so sorry, guys.
Okay, so I've already taken off the oil cap. This is a 2007 Toyota Camry 2.4.
Oh, it's 2009.
No, 2007.
No, I don't know.
Toyota Camry 2.4.
Yep, this is the 2.4. This uses oil like a sieve.
Yep.
This is that year.
If I drive it 5 days a week, I'll go through a quart of oil. This engine has a recall on it, but they don't fix that anymore. It would cost too much. So I just have to make sure to check my oil once a week. And right now it has about a little over 202,000 miles on it. So I still do the every 3,000 mile oil changes.
Yep, so like she said, she took the cap off so it could vent. We're gonna lift it up. Oh, she's gonna lift it up. And then I'm gonna show her how to drain the oil, and we'll do the filter. We're gonna break it loose, and what you're trying to do is not ruin your shirt, so hold on. Hold on. Let's push this up here a little bit.
Then you have goggles on?
No, you don't need goggles on. It's not gonna come pouring out. But go ahead and break it loose.
Everybody's laughing at me like I've never done this before, so, you know. Oh, okay.
Your shirt may be in severe jeopardy here.
Well, hopefully not.
Okay, so pull it off of there.
Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Just take the extension out.
Just take this thing. Is it going to fall?
No. There you go.
Do I need to like unscrew it with my hand then?
Yeah. Pardon me while I move back.
This is a very comical video here.
Like usually oil changes on anything is easy. This one's like way up in there. Just let it fall in the, like set it down in the drain there. There you go. Dump it out. So it's got the cup stuck on it. These cups are hard to find for these Toyotas. They're real small.
Here, you want to hold that for me, Nathan?
Just leave it in there. You won't be able to get that out of there.
I'm not going to take it off there. Okay.
Put a man hands in there and wrestle it out.
Yeah.
All right. So that's all drained out. So what we're going to do, we're going to reinstall her new filter.
That's all the oil that was in there? Not to be stupid, but I was going to say, I just filled
that's
it
all
up.
That's all the oil that's in the oil filter housing.
Okay. I just wanted to frame one. I'm just picky. That's one we've always used. The Fram 4386.
So what we want to do with this one, take a little bit of oil on your finger from the oil filter. You want to wipe it on, geez.
Yeah, well, I got
wipe it around the rubber gasket.
Is that enough?
Yep, that's enough.
Okay.
And hang on this for a second. Let me get you a rag because you're not going to be able to tighten that up.
No, not. I probably should change out gloves, honestly.
There you go. So you're going to go up in there and you're going to twist that back on her, but don't cross thread it. Just go really easily, pull this out of the way.
And I gotta remember where it came off. Oh my God. Where'd it come off, Nathan?
The little spot that's, Jesus.
Well, I can't see up in there. I'm short, you know.
For lifting the car up, she's like, don't lift it up too high. I forgot she's like short. Okay, so all we're gonna do, obviously, is put it on until it's a little bit snug. Let's go a little bit further, and that's it.
Well, that was pretty damn simple.
Well, that's not the whole thing.
Oh, well, I know you gotta.
Okay. So what we're gonna try to do here is angle this. Okay, so wipe the ratchet off if you don't mind. We need a 14 mil to take the plug off, the plug out.
Take the plug out.
The drain plug.
Oh, I thought you like screwed it in there. You're done. Fill it with oil. Bam.
No.
Oh yeah. Okay. Now we got to drain it.
Okay.
You're right.
Take this out right there.
Okay.
So I might have to break it loose for you. I know. Get those little frog arms in there. Hold on a second. There you go. Now just barely break it loose. Don't take it any further.
No. Short and weak. What can I say?
All right, so we're gonna pull this back here.
Yeah. See, I knew that's too easy. I knew you had to drain the oil, but I just didn't remember.
The plug feels weird. Like it's kind of a little bit hard all the way out. Take your fingers and unscrew that bad boy and watch your shirt.
There Very slowly.
Just pull it all at once. There you
Slowly.
go.
Oh, there we go.
Yum,
there we
yum.
go. Okay, where's my rag?
Yep.
Wipe off my thing here.
All right, so let that drain. We'll be right back. We have the drain plug out here. We have our assortment of aluminum rings, aluminum and copper, whatever you're into. I knocked the other one down in the drain thing, so we're gonna let Amanda do this. So you want to mash one up.
Like,
You go just a little bit tighter than that,
so the next one would be what, this one?
a little bit smaller. It's kind of a,
Like, do you want a wider base or what?
I would say, I would use that one. That one
Okay.
fits really good.
Right, okay,
And that's kind of how you want it to go here.
okay.
Make sure, you guys, when you have new filters, if it comes with them, this one did not, that it fits well and isn't an issue. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put that back in.
We matched up the ring, we're gonna put it back on there. Something, yeah, you're right, it kind of feels weird. I can't get it like, right.
Okay. Wipey, wipey.
You think, are you sure that's good? I feel like you can
I'm
still
pretty
see
sure.
the threads though. Is that all
Still
right?
see the threads.
Well, yeah, on the top, like, look. Is that normal?
That's the way it is.
Okay, all
Can't
right.
go any tighter.
All right, it just kind of felt weird to me.
And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna lower it down. We're gonna fill it full of oil. This is a 5-quart car. I thought it was 4, most cars are 4.5, 4-cylinder, this one's 5. Recommended every 7,500 miles.
Oh, really? Well, I do it every 3,000. You
probably-
saw how dirty
yeah,
it was.
You
so-
probably should. It looked like coal when it came out of
Yep.
there. Or every 1 year.
Right.
So this is Super Tech. This is 10W40 because we need a little extra thickness on this car.
And I was using Valvoline 10W30 high mileage, but that stuff is like, what, $25 or something a jug? And this is like
think-
17.
I think Mobile One's up to 30 a jug or 31.
Right.
I told her it didn't matter with this car. It's not like it's a Lambo or anything.
And as
So if she
often
wants
as
to
I
use the
use it-
Walmart brand oil, then
Right.
so be it.
We'll try it.
1040 is what you use on a lot of the M54 stuff, a lot of the BMW stuff at higher mileage. Obviously at higher mileage, you need a little more thickness to it. And we'll get Amanda to hold the funnel here. And I'll just get in here and do a little bit of this action. And while you're saying, how can we not let Amanda pour? We could, but she's probably not an expert at pouring
Well,
oil.
I don't trust lifting heavy things with my left wrist yet because of me breaking it, so. And the funnel does not go all the way down in there, so.
That's all right. Now,
I totally can't see it.
we're going to rely on the internet and put the whole 5 quarts in because this thing uses oil at a rate that
Yeah.
if it's a half a quart overfull, it won't be for long.
Right. Like I said, I have a reminder on my phone, check it once a week. Definitely must check or you'll be in trouble.
All right, friends, that's it.
All right, ready to put the cap back on and
Yep.
make sure we are where we're supposed to be.
Now,
Let me,
we did start it for about 10 seconds, shut it off, and let it sit for a little bit. So you gotta wipe it off and redo it here.
All right,
I'll be the light guy. Hold on.
stick it back in there. Got it?
I'm coming. All the way till it stops, pull it out.
Yep. All right, we're just a little bit above the second bubble.
Yep, so the second
but
level's
that's
full.
okay.
Sometimes I would say wait just a little bit, it should be totally fine.
Yeah.
It says 4.5 on the deal here. Mm-hmm. And it says 1040.
Okay, so we put an extra half
That's just
a
what
quart.
somebody wrote on there at a shop
Right.
is all it is.
But that'd be okay, right? Since it's above the second one?
Yeah,
Okay.
it'd be totally fine.
Well, a lot of times, every week when I check it, it's like in between there.
If
It's
it mattered,
horrible.
we would have put 4.5 in
Right.
and really scrutinized it. But this thing uses oil at a rate that doesn't matter. So That's it. You changed your own oil?
All right. Well, thanks to Nathan for showing that to me, and I probably maybe could do it by myself next time. But having the lift is so much better.
I would say getting the oil filter off is the biggest thing.
Yeah.
That cup I have for that just barely works. If somebody would have put on too tight last time, we'd have had to like take shields off, get the pliers out, the oil filter pliers, and take it off.
Right.
But that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.
All right. Thanks.
Have a good day.